Okay, you guys, I purchased this bag. Alright, all. I purchased this bag from TJ Maxx over a year ago. I have worn it several times since I've purchased it. And I'm just about ready to move out of her. Okay. I did include a purse organizer on the inside that you can see here. So let me get on with it. Right. The inside has a back pocket right here, you guys. I don't have anything in that back pocket. This is not going to be a fun, cutesy what's in my bag because I don't know, I just threw some things together real quick. Here's my wallet, which is an inexpensive wallet that I purchased from Ross. Here's my eyeglass case. Here is my catch-all pouch. This is by Kate Spade. You can barely see the spade symbol there. It's silver. And here's what I have on the inside of it. Just my regular things that I always carry. If you are a long-time viewer, you know. So there's that. And I purchased this cosmetic pouch from a thrift store. I'm pulling things out of my purse organizer right now. There's several pockets. There's about 6 pockets here. I have a pick. I gotta pick my hair now. Then I have some eyeglass wipes in another one of these pockets. Then I have my Airpods. I also have a notepad, a notebook, some gum, and then in this pocket, you guys can't see, I have my lip items. I have my MAC Chestnut. This is a MAC Chestnut lip liner. My MAC Glow Play lip balm. I love this stuff. Some Bath and Body Works hand cream in the scent Pumpkin Latte. A perfume atomizer. I have some random body mist in here from Victoria's Secret. This is a NYX butter gloss, and this is in the color Cinnamon Roll. I have some Tic Tacs in the flavor strawberries and cream. These are good. And then there's a back slip pocket in the purse organizer, which is where I have my cotton nail flushable wipes. Gotta have those. And some wet ones. Then let me pull out. Now, let me pull out my purse organizer. Here's what it looks like. I have my phone here. My tissue is here. I attach my taser to the back of it like that. I just clamp it on there. The purse organizer I purchased from Amazon. Then around the outside of the purse organizer, I have some stuff. I have a handkerchief. I have a receipt. I had to return something to Amazon. And I don't think you can return things back to Amazon from Kohl's anymore. So now you either have to go to a lockbox, I think, or a UPS store. So I went to the UPS store to do that. No, y'all. This is a Bloomingdales receipt. I have a upcoming video of some things that I purchased from Bloomingdales. No. Here I have a Bloomingdales receipt. I purchased this up here. See if y'all see this? I purchased another Longchamp in the color green right here. I'll be doing a what's in my bag video on that too. I also have a United States Postal Service receipt. I sold a bag from my eBay store. Go check it out. The link to my store is below in my description box. And see, that is it for the receipts. So what else is in here, y'all? See how, okay, here's the bag. Moving on. Okay, I have this little coin pouch right here, which is my candy pouch. So I just have some mints and some tea in here right now. I'm trying to cut back on my chocolate. Here are my keys right here. This wristlet keychain right here I purchased from Amazon. Here is my spare key holder. Looks like this. You've seen it before. I purchased this off of eBay as well. I don't carry this with me every day, you guys. I just grabbed this and plopped it in my purse real quick because I had to go to the post office, and my post office key is here. So there's that. Oh, another lip product here. This is a MAC lip gloss in the color Explicit. One of my favorite lip glosses from MAC. I have repurchased this color numerous times before. Love it. I need a new one. I'm almost out. Oh, and just a piece of paper from my post office box telling me that my service fee is due soon.